Hey guys, I'm sandhikshandas and here this is the Redmi Note 9. This is the first phone to have Helio G85 processor. Yes, this is the 4GB and 128GB variant. Its price is 13,499. It has also another two variant that comes with 4GB and 64GB, that is 12,000, and the highest variant that is comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB variant. That's price near about 16,000. So here in this video I will do quick review with the camera sample and gaming performance. So before beginning I have a request. If you are new then please subscribe my channel, tap the bell icon and hit the like button below. Also don't forget to share with your friends and family. And follow me on social media platforms Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So without further delay, let's start the unboxing of Redmi Note 9.
So, Redmi Note 9 is the latest addition in the Note 9 series after Note 9 Pro and Max, as Xiaomi made a surprise by bringing Note 9 series within few months after the release of Note 8 series. Also, due to huge GST hike and mobile segment, all the models become expensive. However, here is the Pebble Grey 4GB 128GB variant and has been brought by one of my friend Sumantho. So thanks Sumantho for giving this phone to review for you guys. Here, this is the Redmi Note 9's simple retail box pack designed over totally white box with MI branding and Redmi Note 9 image on it. On the back, there are all the features has been highlighted, and this Redmi Note 9 is made in India product. However, it is being too late, so now straight go to unboxing. Maybe you are as anxious as me to see what's inside. Anyway, I'm here in this box. So first, in another small box, it comes the user guidebook, one SIM ejector pin, one free blackish TPU cover. Yes, you will get TPU cover with it and don't need to buy extra. And then one 22.5 watt fast charge adapter, one USB Type-C cable, and our main device, the Pebble Grey Slim Redmi Note 9. So that's all the stuff comes inside the box. Now keep all the things aside and focus on the main device, Redmi Note 9. First, if I talk about its design, then this Redmi Note 9 is beautifully designed with curved edge and plastic aura balanced back panel, while the sides are shiny pebble grey color. Pebble grey color looks quite gorgeous than other aqua green and arctic white color. The gradient color looks like hologram sticker, especially under the light, but it catches lots of fingerprints very easily. The whole body is splash proof and protected by P2I design. Despite its glossy back, the phone offers a firm grip. The smartphone feels sturdy and durable. If we take a close look, then on top we can see, as usual, one IR blaster, one secondary noise cancellation mic, and below there one big speaker grill, Type-C port for gaining fast charge and data transfer speed, primary microphone, and one 3.5mm headphone jack. Left side, there the SIM tray and ejector hole where you can put your 2 nano SIM and one microSD card up to 512GB. The both SIM slots support dual 4G VoLTE voice call. Right side, there the volume rocker and lock and lock button. So that's a simple design. If we now look at the display, then the display is called as a dot display cause the front camera is embedded at the left side corner in the screen, which looks as a dot in the whole screen. This is mostly good design and doesn't catch your attention so much during gameplay or watching movies rather than water drop or infinity display design. By the way, this is 6.5-inch Full HD panel with 450 nit screen brightness. The screen to body ratio is also good, that is 19.5:9. The whole screen comes with inbuilt Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, so you don't need to apply any glass protection separately, but if you wish you can. Screen tone also looks quite fine with true vivid color from any angle. It has 1500:1 contrast ratio with 180-degree viewing angle. Also, it supports color temperature adjustment up to 256 ranks, though it has no AMOLED display with higher refresh rate. When I kept it side by side with my Realme XT AMOLED display, this FHD dot display appeared a little bit less sharper and less brighter at full brightness, but normally it produces fine picture. It is okay under sunlight, but you cannot get this brightness issue so much for day-to-day use. Also, this display has anti-oil and anti-fingerprint protective coating with pre-applied scratch protector. If I talk about its OS, then out of the box it comes with Android 10 based fully customized MIUI 11. MIUI is quite popular customized smartphone OS right now in the world, so setup takes few seconds to complete and as usual very easy. Within then if your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, it will be upgraded to MIUI 12, which has more attractive features including the change of some UI. As usual, it comes with all MI apps and security patch level, but users can customize at their own choice. And yes, there I noticed that the number of ads has been decreased. Additionally, it also supports M4B, MKV, XBit and WAV video formats file. If I talk about its day-to-day and gaming performance, then Redmi Note 9 comes with its heart MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor with a maximum frequency of 2 GHz and Hyper engine. This is India's first smartphone with this processor. It has ARM Mali G52 GPU that can be clocked up to 1 GHz. The whole smartphone is accessed by 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM. As a storage option, it comes with 128 GB UFS storage, while it has another 64 GB storage and 6 GB RAM variant too. This MediaTek processor can easily handle any day-to-day uses without any issue. Also, my gaming experience was good enough. There was no lag with considerable frame drop. If I say about gameplay of Asphalt, NFS, Subway Surfers and Call of Duty, then it can handle any game pretty well without any lag. And there is very ignorable frame drop. As Redmi Note 9 is a budget phone, we cannot expect so much high about the speed and performance of the device like any other 30K or 50K smartphones, but performance is very efficient. The loading speed of the app is reasonably good and switching between multiple apps easy and didn't reload. However, there was little bit heating issue with the device after long time of gameplay, so there it has been little bit compromised with the cooling system, but again that's okay at this price point. Its Geekbench multi-core benchmark score is 1262, which is not best but good for this budget smartphone. Also, it comes with all types of sensors, so regarding performance there are no big issue and gives lag-free performance either for gaming, camera or multimedia uses. If I talk about its battery, then battery is obviously another main basic components for nowadays smartphones. So this phone has 5020 mAh lithium ion battery, which is a semi powerhouse to power the whole system in today's market, which will last almost a day on moderate use, but all depends on the users. There it comes 22.5 watt fast charge in the box that charges your phone 0 to 60% in just 45 minutes via its Type-C port, but it takes around 1.3 hours for full charge. That's why it could have been better if there are more faster charger adapter support like Note 9 Pro Max. But as a semi powerhouse, it supports 9 watt reverse charge by which you can charge any other smartphones. So it's okay to have reverse charge, which can be useful in emergency. Now if I talk about its camera, then nowadays the major aspect of any smartphone is its camera segment. So Xiaomi camera is always a thing of attraction in the budget segment. Hence the Redmi Note 9 has the 48 megapixel AI based quad camera with good 5-in-1 camera bump, where half-inch CMOS sensor has been used for 48 megapixel with 1.6 micron 4-in-1 super pixel binding technology. Its aperture is f1.79 and FOV is 79.1 degree. Additionally, it has 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with aperture f2.2 and FOV 118.2 degree. Also, there are 2+2 macro and depth sensor. Yes, this quad camera setup has been provided in the upper middle of the back panel with fingerprint scanner and one single tone LED flash outside a bump. The camera bump goes equal when you cover your phone with your TPU cover. The default megapixel is 12 megapixel for normal photo, so nothing new in its UI camera app interface, just a straightforward user-friendly camera app, which reminds me about the iOS iPhone's camera app a little bit. So there additionally documents scanner and raw photo mode option has been added. It is really to have the option to capture image in raw mode, and later you can edit your picture as per your choice. So that's kind of professional option. It comes at its UI. So another good thing that I liked is that in pro or expert mode you can select lens also in between macro, wide and 48 megapixel lens. So it captures quite well pictures in low light and lighting environment, but it is not as expected in low light. In low light there are not much difference between 48 megapixel and 12 megapixel, with little bit of noise and less sharp areas, though it supports night mode for low light, but still not so much visual difference in night mode too, as you can capture in Max Pro or Realme 64 megapixel camera smartphone. I am not satisfied with the low light picture quality, but in daylight performs quite well and produces sharp vivid image. Macro lens is also not the impressive one, but can capture any close photo from 2 cm distance. Suddenly if you need to take a very close picture, then having an inbuilt macro lens is always helpful. Always it is helpful to attach any external macro lens that does your job so much professionally. If you love macro photography, you must go with the additional macro lens. I have also put the link below of those types of macro lens professionally. Here the portrait pictures via its portrait picture mode is really great and captures really good photo with the background defocused option. For video, the back 48 megapixel sensor can shoot video only up to 1080p Full HD with macro lens and slow motion time lapse support. But here no cinematic shooting mode is available like the Pro Max one. It has inbuilt EIS for video stabilization, so the video quality is quite good and captures quite well video quality. But again, for low light, video quality also is not so much great. For rear camera, I can give the my rating out of 5. It is 4. So yeah, and if I talk about its front camera, then there are only 13 megapixel camera sensor which has been just added at the corner of the screen as a dot, so it captures quite decent selfies and shoot videos, but can be improved obviously. Also its portrait mode is very good for selfie cameras too. There are pro mode too at the front camera, means you can adjust your selfie image setting as per your lighting option professionally. Front 13 megapixel camera supports up to Full HD video resolution. For front camera, I will give the rating 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, little bit camera needs to improve, especially for low light picture.
So hey guys, this is the front camera sample by its 13 megapixel inbuilt screen camera. It's a Sony IMX sensor, so you can see it is maintaining its white balance quite well, and it has no image stabilization, and front camera shoot up to Full HD video. So if I run like this, you can see. So it has no EIS image stabilization. As you can see, it is maintaining the white balance quite well. It is also maintaining the exposure. So you can see this is the front camera sample.
Now if I talk about this sound, and then its audio output is quite good and loud, but company has not specified that which audio has been used. I cannot see there are any Dolby Atmos audio, but good suitable audio. 70% of the sound is very loud enough in your room.
I feel so alive. Still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile but don't speak. Will you please slow down?
It has a small round physically embedded fingerprints panel just below the camera bump, where you can store many fingerprint IDs of different family members, which locks or unlocks your device so quickly, and it is very exact. There are no face unlock option I found at the time I was reviewing. Also, as usual, it supports OTG, but having Type-C USB port, either you have to buy separate Type-C OTG pen drive or Type-C to microSD adapter to use your existing pen drive with it for transferring any files, because it has Type-C port. Now if I talk about the negative points that may disappoint you, so first I can say a little bit heating issue obviously during gameplay that can be cause of irritation. If I talk about camera, that is not up to the mark, especially in low light, and it needs lots of optimization of its algorithm. Third thing is the expected more faster charger, 35 watt or 40 watt support for a semi powerhouse battery capacity. Fourth one, no Dolby sound is included. Fifth one, no AMOLED display, it is only full HD. So guys, these are the negative points. Now if you ask me that should I buy or look for another phone, look, the price of the basic version of Redmi Note 9 is 12,000. so if we take a quick look at the features of this phone, that is it is semi powerhouse battery, 5020 mAh, which is ideal for long use, so it will obviously long last for a day. It has Gorilla Glass protection for skin, and you don't need to worry about your skin in case any shock or fall from your hand. It has up to 128GB storage variant option with 512GB microSD expandable support. It has user-friendly camera UI with lots of advanced options, especially RAW photo mode, Pro mode, the document scanner. It has very unique outer body design, and that separates this phone from any other phones in the crowd. It has a free TPU cover that protects the camera bumper from rubbing and protect phone body from any shock. And last thing, that it has a 9-watt reverse charge that you can use your smartphone in case any emergency as a power bank. So if you are finding a phone for all day use with moderate gaming and photo or video shooting, then it is okay and perfect choice. But if you are gamer, loves to play lots of game and do lots of photo or videography, then don't buy, cause this phone doesn't give that value for these types of use. However, this was the quick review of the Redmi Note 9 4GB 128GB variant. I don't know how much have I helped you, but I hope still helpful for you guys. If you accept my effort, then please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to get notified about my each upload. If you have any further query, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer that for you. So I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay good, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Our Sandhikshandas signing off. Have a nice day.